longer, sharper, bigger. Let's draw. Let us take a look at this picture and describe it. In this picture, there is a big mountain and small mountain, a tall tree and a small tree, a big boat and a small boat, a fat boy and a thin boy, a short road and a long road, a house and a lake. Let us now draw a few things in this picture. Let's draw a mustache on the fat boy's face. Let's draw a star on the high mountain. Let us now draw a bird on the tall tree. Let's draw a car on the short road. Let's now draw a fish in the lake. Longer, sharper, bigger. Jyoti and Radha. Let us read a dialogue between Jyoti and Radha based on the pictures of room A and room B. Jyoti. Room A is 15 feet long and 12 feet wide. Radha. Room B is 12 feet long and 10 feet wide. So room A is bigger than room B. Jyoti. Yes, but the TV sets are equal in size in both the rooms. And the table in room A is as big as table in room B. Radha. The wall clock in room A is higher than that in room B. Showcase in room A is not so big as in room B. Jyoti. Look at the chairs. The chair in room A is costlier than in room B. Radha. Feng Shui is shorter than the statue of God. Have you noticed in the dialogue between Radha and Jyoti the words such as bigger, higher, costlier, shorter have been made used? These words compare the noun room, clock, chair and feng shui. As we know adjectives describe nouns, they also compare nouns. Look at these pictures. We can see that there is a comparison in size. Adjectives that compare nouns end in er and est. Small, smaller, smallest. The poodle is a small dog. The pug is smaller than the poodle. Of the three, the black and white Chihuahua is the smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. The word small describes the noun and shows a quality. It is an adjective in the positive degree. The word smaller shows more of the quality of smallness as it makes a comparison between two dogs. It is an adjective in the comparative degree, formed by adding er to the adjective. Small plus er equals smaller. The word smallest shows a higher form of comparison. Smallest, the most of the quality by making a comparison between more than two dogs, the poodle and the pug. So, it is an adjective in the superlative degree, formed by adding est to the adjective. Small plus est equals smallest. Now let us do an activity. With the help of the above dialogues, fill the details of the similar things and non-similar thing with their description in the table. Similar things: name, TV. Description are equal: name, table. Description as big as. Non-similar things: name, clock. Description higher than. Name, showcase. Description not so big as. Name, chair. Description costlier than. Name, feng shui. Description shorter than. Name, room. Description bigger than. Bigger. Our solar system. Fill in the blanks with the help of the picture and the given table. The planet Venus is bigger than the planet Dash. The planet Venus is bigger than the planet Mercury. Dash is smaller than Dash. Mercury is smaller than Venus. Which planet is farther from the Sun, the Jupiter or the Saturn? Saturn. Which planet is bigger than Saturn, Mars or Jupiter? Jupiter. Which planets have higher temperature than Mars? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter and Saturn. Upper, bigger. The Prince and his Friends. Wow! Magic show! Let us visit it. Hey! Look at the magician. He has turned a girl into a beautiful flower. What a trick! To see further more tricks, let us listen to the story, The Prince and His Friends. Sohan Sen was a prince. He had 3 friends: longer legs, sharper eyes, and bigger belly. They had special powers. In that land, another king had a beautiful princess. Many young princes hoped to marry her. But the king, her father, did not want his daughter to marry at all. The king was a magician, so he set 3 difficult tests. Each day, he would hide the princess at a different place. The prince had to find and bring her back to the palace. Many princes tried but failed in this test. So the king turned them into donkeys with his magic. Sohan Sen went to the king. The king said, "I have hidden the princess somewhere. Find her out and bring her to me before the sunset." Sharper Eyes looked all around and said, "The princess is on the top of a mountain, 100 miles away." Then Longer Legs ran as fast as the wind. He came back with the princess before dark. The king was angry. The next day, the king said, "I have hidden the princess somewhere else. Bring her back to me before the sunset." Sharper Eyes looked and said, "The king has turned her into a golden leaf. She is 200 miles away. The leaf is shaking in the wind." Longer Legs ran faster than the wind. He came back with the princess before nightfall. The king was angrier. On the 3rd day, the king said, "Come with the princess before sunset." Again, Sharper Eyes looked all around and said, "The princess is quite closer. She is at the bottom of a very deep lake. The king has turned her into a silver fish. The four friends went to the lake. "Now it is my turn," said Bigger Belly. He started to drink water. He drank and drank. The lake was almost empty. The prince caught the silver fish. The fish turned into the beautiful princess. Both the prince and the princess were happy. They went to the king. The king became very angry. The king turned himself into a crow and flew away into the jungle. Let us fruitful our visit to the story of the prince and his friends with an activity of arranging the sentences in a correct order. The king hid the princess on top of a mountain. Bigger Belly drank the whole lake. Prince Sohansen wanted to marry the beautiful princess. Longer Legs ran faster than the wind. The prince and the princess were happy. The king set 3 difficult tests. The correct order of the sentences is: Prince Sohansen wanted to marry the beautiful princess. The king set 3 difficult tests. The king hid the princess on top of a mountain. Longer Legs ran faster than the wind. Bigger Belly drank the whole lake. The prince and the princess were happy. Sharper, bigger. My details. Given is a dialogue between Swapnil and Geetansh based on the chart. Let us read it. Swapnil: What is your weight? Geetansh: 25. Swapnil: Oh, fat man! You are fatter than I. Geetansh: Your nose. Look at your nose. It is longer than my nose. Swapnil: Don't talk with me in this way. You are younger than I. Geetansh: What's your birthday? Swapnil: 24th October. Geetansh: Let me see. My birthday is 26th October. 2 days. And you say that you are older than I? Swapnil: Sorry, but look at the height. Oh, you are as tall as I. Geetansh: Happy? Swapnil: You happy? Based on the given chart and dialogue, let us now create a new chart and fill in the blanks. Dash is taller than Dash. Dash nose is longer than Dash. My nose is not so long as Dash. I am Dash. Dash older Dash. Dash tall Dash. Dash heavier Dash. Darsh is taller than Meeta. Arjun's nose is longer than Darsh's nose. My nose is not so long as Mrunal's nose. I am the tallest among all. Meeta is older than Arjun. Mrunal is as tall as Meeta. Darsh is heavier than Arjun. Longer, sharper, bigger. Compare the animals. We have already learnt the degree of comparison of adjectives. Come, let's have a look at this picture and compare the animals in them. The elephant is bigger than the hippo. In this sentence, the word bigger is the degree of comparison of adjective in the comparative degree. The giraffe is taller than the camel. Here the degree of comparison is taller. The mouse is smaller than the rabbit. Here the degree of comparison is smaller. The horse is as big as the cow. In this sentence, there is no degree of comparison since the horse and the cow are similar in size. Thus, it is an adjective in the positive degree. Of all the animals, the giraffe's neck is the longest. In this sentence, longest is an adjective in the superlative degree. The horse is bigger than the donkey. In this sentence, the degree of comparison of adjective is bigger. The rhino is bigger than the donkey. In this sentence, the word bigger is the degree of comparison of adjective.
Given is the line graph mentioning the lifespan of different animals. With the help of the line graph, let us now fill in the missing data in the chart. As per the given graph, chimpanzee's lifespan is 30 years. The lifespan of 22 years is of a cow. The lifespan of 70 years is of an elephant. The lifespan of 9 years is of a dog. Man's lifespan is 90 years. The lifespan of 100 years is of a swan. The lifespan of a tortoise is of 150 years. The lifespan of a goat is of 10 years. The lifespan of a horse is of 50 years. The lifespan of a sheep is of 10 years. With the help of the chart that we have created, based on the information given in the line graph, let us answer the given questions. Who lives shorter life than the chimpanzee? The cow, dog, goat, sheep live shorter life than the chimpanzee. Who lives longer than the goat? The chimpanzee, cow, elephant, man, swan, tortoise, horse, whale live longer than the goat. Whose lifespan is shorter than the horse's lifespan? The chimpanzees, cows, dogs, goats, sheep's lifespan is shorter than the horse's lifespan. Whose lifespan is longer than the sheep's? The chimpanzees, cows, elephants, man's, swans, tortoises, horses, whales' lifespan is longer than the sheep's. Whose lifespan is shorter than the rabbit's? The dogs, goats, sheep's lifespan is shorter than the rabbit's. Who lives longer than the man? The tortoise and the swan live longer than the man. Read the following riddles and put a tick against the correct option to the riddle. It is smaller than a rabbit and bigger than a rat. It is the enemy of the snake. What is it? A. A cobra. B. A mongoose. C. A cat. The correct option is B. A mongoose. It is bigger than a sparrow and smaller than a crow. Its color is green. What is it? A. A parrot. B. A pigeon. C. A cock. The correct option is A. A parrot. It runs faster than the horse and the deer. It is a wild animal. It has very sharp claws and teeth. What is it? A. dog, B. cat, C. cheetah. The correct option is C. cheetah. It looks like a horse. It has stripes on its body. What is it? A. Zebra, B. Wild ass, C. Pony. The correct option is A. Zebra.